Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back or welcome to the channel. This is your first time to Two Motos, and today we got something special. Now, it's not a motorcycle part. No, it's not. But it's a car part. Now, this is something very special, something I've been wanting on. Now, I have two cars, a 1996 Eclipse GST and a 2002 Mustang GT. Now, for the Mustang, I've been wanting to get this part for a very long time. I've already got the coilovers, and then one of the things that I've wanted on the car for so long is a Nardi steering wheel. That's right, baby. And today, I got it. So today, boom! We're going to be doing an unboxing of a Nardi steering wheel. It's a deep corn 350 millimeter, straight from Italy, baby, because it wasn't in stock. And just so you know, if you want a Nardi steering wheel, I suggest you go to mrsteeringwheel.com because they got all the steering wheels you need. They got the hub adapters, and they got all the quick release adapters that you could possibly want in all different colors and different generations. So let's get into it, baby. I'm super stoked, and I hope you guys are too. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Now, I haven't seen the steering wheel, so you guys are just about to see it for the first time. Right along with me. So here we go, boy. Ooh, snap. Oh, snap. Are we ready? Oh, snap. Okay, so here we go. This looks like the NRG quick release. Now, I got the gunmetal, so once I take it out the box, you'll see. Quick release, set that to the side. Then we got the short hub adapter. And now, the grand finale. Box is a little busted up, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Oh my God. Oh no. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Holy sh! Look at that. Look at that. That is just simply beautiful. Mahogany wood. And this metal, three-piece, three-spoke metal. Oh my God, it feels amazing. It feels absolutely insane. Wow. This, oh my God, I've been wanting this for so long, dude. Damn. It's one thing to see it in a picture online, but damn, to have it in your hands. I don't know if you guys can see this, but made in Italy. Right there. Made in Italy, baby. No China business. Okay, guys. The steering wheel is out. You've seen it. It's beautiful. Let's take a look at the quick release so we can see what we're working with here. The energy sticker. Pretty lit. Oh, my goodness. I mean, would you look at that? Look at this. Beautiful. Oh my God. NRG, yeah, outdone yourself with this one right here. This is amazing. Wow. Wow. And this gunmetal finish, man, it was a good choice. Super good choice. Now the thing is, when you have your when you're gonna use a quick release, you need to have the short hub adapter. You can't use just the quick release. It won't work. Short hub adapter here. All right. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too out of this world, you know. Just short hub adapter. Yeah, so essentially this will go on like this onto the steering rack. Boom. And then our quick release will go over this like so. Like that. Bam. And then obviously your steering wheel will bolt in right there. And then here's our little horn button. I'll go ahead and open that up. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there. Wow. Woo! I can I just can't wait to see it mounted up on the car. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Thanks for watching the unboxing of the Nardi steering wheel. I can't wait to see this on the Mustang. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing just as much as I did. This thing's gonna be so sweet to see it on the car and then actually being able to drive with it. Thanks for watching. Peace. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.